Today I want to go over how to raise your windshield wipers on a Volkswagen. So this is a 2013 Volkswagen Passat and you can't lift the windshield wipers up. I also want to go over how to disconnect the wiper blade. So we're going to hop in the vehicle here, and to do this we are going to turn the car on all the way so the engine starts, and then we are going to turn it off and then push down, and that's it. We got it in service mode. Now let's go pop one of those wiper blades off. So from here we can hinge this up. You know, if you live in a cold place and you want to put your wiper blades up so they don't get stuck to the windshield, you can do that. Then when we're swapping these guys out, depress this button. It takes a fair bit of force. You can use a key or like a flathead screwdriver and then pull up. That's the button that goes right there, and that's how you take your wiper blades off. And then when you put them back on, you just squeeze and push down. That's the little release button that goes back in. Then you can put the wiper blades back down, and to put them back down, start the car, press down, wiper blades go down. So that's how you put the wiper blades up, and then it's one button to swap out the blades, and that gets you going. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.